Big Corp outsourcing its work is nothing new. However, over the last few years, I have noticed a growing trend in companies turning to the very people they are selling to for their next big thing. And when you really think about it, who better to tell you what to sell next other than the people buying it? Today on the Butcher Block, the Maple Bourbon BBQ Whopper. A mouthful of a title both figuratively and literally. The original Whopper hit the streets in 1957, while this iteration debuted back in 2024 as a finalist in the $1 Million Whopper contest. It was created by a contestant named Calvin and was recently brought back to the King's menu by popular demand. The OG Whopper is a flame-grilled patty, sesame seed bun, mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato, pickle, onion, and ketchup. Now let's break down this beefy boy. Start with a base bun, 100% flame-grilled 4-ounce beef patty, melty American cheese, candied maple bacon, get on there.
A few moments later.
All of that is topped with crispy onions, jalapenos, and a maple bourbon barbecue sauce, and crowned with the top half of our sesame seed bun. This should make for quite the combo of sweet and salty. However, it should be noted that all the extra bits will cost you a few more dollars than the OG, setting you back $7.99. Now, let's get it on the scale and see how much it weighs. Weighing 7.9 ounces, this gives us a cost of $1.01 per ounce. A quick look at the cost sheet, and we're in the middle of the pack. Also realizing this is the first burger we've had on the channel. Gonna have to change that. Now that we're done with the cost section, let's move on to the cross section. That was a sound. As we crack it open, we can see some pretty good layering. I compressed the bun a little bit during the chop, but the top is still holding strong. The stack looks good, starting with a toasted bun, a thick well-done patty, a good cheese layer, and a generous portion of the crispy onions and barbecue sauce, which appears thick enough to cling to the onions, but not soak through the bun, so good job on that. Now, I love a Whopper, so let's take a bite and see how this stacks up to the original. Something about a Whopper patty gets me. It tastes so close to a backyard burger, but not. Sort of how Diet Coke tastes close to the real thing, but there's something chemically different, but you know you're still going to crush it anyway. The crunchy onions and jalapenos contrast the squish from the rest of the sandwich, and there is just enough heat to be present, but not overwhelming. Think more on the level of table grind black pepper than a jalapeno. The maple flavor stands out very well against the heat, but my brain could be misfiring that with the bacon. All of that, with the saltiness of the burger, this is a good deviation from the usual Whopper, and I would definitely recommend you give it a go. That was pretty tasty. Definitely gonna have to visit the original Whopper in a future video. I appreciate you all taking time out of your day to learn a little bit about what we eat and how it's made. Comment below what food items you would like to see us tackle next. Doesn't have to be fast food, could be from any national chain, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more food teardowns and reviews. It helps the channel a lot and I would really appreciate it. And until next time, remember to be kind.